Hey, what's up guys? Today we're diving into some exciting news for all the tech enthusiasts out there. Amazon's Alexa is getting a major AI upgrade. That's right, Alexa is about to get a whole lot smarter. So, let's break down what we know so far. First off, Amazon is focusing on making Alexa more conversational. Imagine asking Alexa a question and getting a response that feels more natural and human-like. This isn't just about better voice recognition, it's about understanding context and nuance. Pretty cool, right? Now this upgrade is powered by some serious advancements in machine learning and natural language processing. Think of it as Alexa's brain getting a significant boost. This means she can better understand the intent behind your questions and even handle more complex queries. Another big update, personalization. Alexa will soon be able to remember your preferences and tailor its responses accordingly. So, if you like your coffee black, you won't have to keep reminding her. It's all about making your interactions smoother and more intuitive. But it's not just about talking. Alexa's getting smarter when it comes to controlling smart home devices too. With this upgrade, she'll be able to manage multiple devices more efficiently, making your smart home experience even better. So, when's this upgrade dropping? While Amazon hasn't given us an exact date just yet, the buzz is that it's coming soon. So, keep your ears peeled and your device is ready. Alright folks, that's the inside scoop on Alexa's major AI upgrade. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.